Okay, here we have the Elgin model 3455E. Pick your color digital electric alarm clock. Now this clock is really cool. You get to pick and change colors all contained within one clock. Okay? It has 7 selectable display colors: aqua, red, green, pink, teal, purple, and yellow. And I'm going to walk you through a couple in just a second. The numbers are 3/4 of an inch in diameter, which I kind of like that. This clock also displays day and month and seconds 1 to 60, and it has an ascending alarm, which you're going to hear in a moment. It's pretty loud. What I like about this clock is how the top opens up. Look at that. And you have all your color changing features right inside. Boom. Boom. Nice, huh? I think any kid would love to have this clock and the number changing. I like it on red. Very sleek, very nice.